Today I will share with you how to make a jumping planet video using the Insta360 1R app so you can make a video that looks like this. This video is really easy to make. It requires no manual editing whatsoever. All you need is your Insta360 1R and the invisible selfie stick. To film a jumping planet video, you need to film 6 jumps in 6 different locations. So to film a jump, extend the selfie stick in front of you and make sure the 1R is eye level or just above eye level. Press record on the 1R, jump as high as you can, and make sure your legs leave the ground because this is how the AI knows you are jumping. And when you land, jump again as high as you can, hold it there for a couple of seconds and stop the recording. Now repeat this 5 times in 5 different locations and then you are ready to edit your video. To edit your jumping planet video, open the 1R app and transfer the footage from the camera to your phone, or you can edit from the camera directly. Next, go to the Stories tab and scroll down to Jump Planet and tap it. Tap Apply. Now choose the videos you want to add into your Jump Planet. Tap Confirm. Now you need to choose the order in which the videos appear in. So for example, I want this video to appear first, this one second, this one third, this one fourth, and so on. Once you're happy with your order, tap this button to export your video, or you can go into the video editor, change the aspect ratio of your video, and then tap export. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. I'd love to see your jumping planets, so don't forget to tag me and I'll see you in the next one.